Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm showing you guys this other strategy that I've been using to to scalp boom and crash. So this is boom 600, okay, and you can see we're scalping boom 600 and I'm giving these signals to my guys, to my VIP guys, and we are in deep profit as we speak. As you can see, we're in deep profit. All right, so this will be very simple, which I'll just take my time to show you guys the simple settings and how to really scalp this scalp with this strategy. Okay, so if you're new on this channel, smash the like button, subscribe to this channel. You must not be new to like and comment and share this video with friends. Okay, so share it with friends, send it to those big channels, to your status and all right. Then drop some good comments and also check the description box to join the free Telegram channel. I'll be creating a wait list for those that want to learn how to analyze the market as a pro. Okay, if you want to analyze the market, price action, proper price action, I'll create a group for every one of you to join, and there we'll be discussing. And even if I have any challenge, we can always deliberate over there and we grow together, right? So yeah, join the free Telegram channel so that you'll be able to join the group. Okay, thank you. Now on this is boom 600 and I've given signal. Let me show you guys my TPs. I've given TP 1 and 2. All right, so you can see the first TP right there and the second TP down there, right? So you can see the two TPs. Those are targets. Though I'm looking at market dropping all the way down back to this point again. Yeah, it's been going down up to this point. You can see since we entered, it has not spiked. We've gotten more than 10 candles, all right, 10 ticks. Okay, it has not gone down. And also I've given boom 300 buy this morning already. We've given boom 300 buy and we smashed TP1 already. All right, you can see that we smashed TP1 already. And all right, so we've made so much profit already this morning. All right, so this is the second trade and it's just 8 a.m. This is our second trade and it's just 8 a.m. So let me quickly show you guys the settings and everything you need to know about this strategy. All right, so now the settings for the strategy, we have 4 indicators. The first indicator will be this, all right, moving average. The first moving average, we have the period 300, shift is 6, method is linear weighted, applied to typical price. This on that style, you can choose any color of your choice and you click on done. Okay, then you go again, you're bringing in RSI. So look at that RSI, we have period 8 applied to medium price. The levels you can screenshot, guys. We have level 5, 15, 8 and 95, and choose any color of your choice right there. And under this style, you have to reduce the pixel very well and put it here. What did I just do? 8 medium price. We have, oh my god, we have 5, right? Why did I just change that stuff? How did I change it? So we have 5, we have 90, no, we have 5, we have 15, we have the 95, we have 85. Return this pixel to the last, you use white, okay? And under here, I was using red, right? No. Here, I was using red. I was using red here. Then under here, use white. Click on done. All right, sorry. So click on done. Okay. Then after that, we go back again. You can see the settings, right? We are adding MACD. We have the fast EMA 16, slow EMA 32, MACD SMA 16. There are no levels, and you click on done. All right. Then you go back again. You're adding alligator. Just period. You can screenshot, guys. I can't be going down to read all the stuffs. Just screenshot it. We have just period 13, teeth period 6, lips period 5, just shift 8, teeth shift 5, lips shift 3, method smoothed, apply to medium price, and you can see the colors. Click on done. As simple as that. Now, remember, this strategy is to scalp, boom, and crash. Use it to scalp, boom, 1,000, crash 1,000, boom 500, crash 500, boom 600, crash 600, boom 900, crash 900. Avoid all the 300s with this strategy. Okay, only 300 apart from, you can trade every other boom and crash apart from the 300, boom 300 and crash 300. We don't do that one. Okay, so boom 300 and crash 300, you avoid it. Now we are still on the 1 minute time frame to make the entry, but we switch to 30 minutes time frame for confirmation and use 1 minute time frame to make entry. You first of all stay on the 30 minutes time frame for confirmation. When you get to your confirmation, you're going down to 1 minute time frame to make your entry. Right now, the zoom level, this is the zoom level 1 and 2. You're using the second zoom level. For those that are using Apple, iPhone, I don't know, this iPhone here, okay, so the zoom 2 is what I can see properly. Okay, I don't know Android, maybe Android will be zoom 3. So just, you can see the size of the candlesticks. Just once you get the size of candlestick, you're good, right? You're good. So fine. Then you're taking 10 ticks. 10 ticks, you're out. You take only 10 ticks, you're out. All right, that's fine. Now, before you take this trade, first of all, like I said, you go to your 30 minutes time frame. Your 30 minutes time frame, let me bring this down first. On the 30 minutes time frame, you want to be sure that this indicator on the main chart, the red indicator you're seeing there, is above the current price or touching the current price. If it touches the current price like it is now or above the current price, it's cool for you to sell, boom. But if this MA is below the current price or touch the current price, it's cool for you to buy, crash. Remember, if it is touching the current price is where market is trading currently, or above it, that means the market is actually going down. We are in a downtrend. But if this MA is below the current price or touches it below when market was coming down, then that means market is likely going up. We are in an uptrend, right? We had a small spike there. We are in an uptrend. Okay, now once you get this confirmation on the 30 minutes time frame, you can see now we have the MA as the current price, okay, touching the current price and a bit above the current price. That means we are in the downtrend. On the 30 minutes time frame, that's where you're making the confirmation on the 30 minutes time frame. Then once you get that confirmation on the 30 minutes time frame, what do? You're switching down to the 1 minute time frame. So on the 1 minute time frame, you want to see, let's bring this up now. This is when we make use of this. On the 1 minute time frame, you want to see the indicators under the indicator window. We want to see this blue indicator around this 85 zone, inside the 85, between 85 and 95 zone. Okay, then also want to see this blue and green indicator crossing each other. Okay, once it crosses, you can see we had two confirmations. We had the first confirmation, the first cross, and we took, let's say we were online, we're supposed to take this. Oh, we had another massive spike there. Right, we're supposed to take this, all these 10 ticks. We take 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and we are out. And also this, all right, this we're supposed to take 10 also, and we are out. All right, but why am I holding this one? I'm holding this one because I've done a bit of price action. That's why I keep telling you guys, price action is very important. Price action is very, very important because it will really give you that's tell you where the market is actually heading, where the market is going. So I see that the market will be selling for a while. All right, that's why I'm still holding. Market will be selling for a while. That's why I'm still holding this trade. I did not just close out. All right, I'm still holding this trade because we know that it will definitely get to our TPs. Okay, to get to our TPs because we are in a downtrend. Okay, with my confirmation, we are in a downtrend. So that's why I don't panic. I don't rush and close out and all that. I'll take 10 ticks only. All right. So though my people have told them to take some profits, but then we're going to hold it for a long time till we smash the whole TPs. All right. Whether it's going up there or not, I'm not afraid because it will definitely come down. That's why you need to learn price action. With price action, you can really tell where the market is going and you can make more money. Okay. So yeah, that's it. When you see that, when you see the red, when you see the red indicator crossing the green, when you see the red indicator crossing the green downward, after you might have gotten to the overbought zone for boom, and you see this blue indicator inside this zone already, you're selling. As you're selling, you're taking 10 ticks. You count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and you take it and you're out. So that's how it's done. That's how it's done. Okay, that's how you make money with us, with using this strategy. Very simple, very simple. All right, very, very simple. And also, don't always forget to put your SL. Let's say you're risking $20. You need to set your SL below $20. Your SL is supposed to be like minus, your entry to your SL is supposed to be minus 15, minus 17. Why? Because when it spikes, it's likely to spike above the level that you expect market to stop. All right, if it spikes, so you need to, if you are risking $20, you need to put your SL below $20 level. All right, you can take it to $15 or $17 because when it spikes, it goes above the $15 or $17. It might stop at $20, $21. So that's the idea. All right, you place it some pips below that level that you are expecting to, like the amounts you're expecting to give out to the market in case it goes against you. All right, so yeah, that's it. As simple as that, bro. As simple as that, bro. All right, so the screen positioning, you just centralize it like this, as simple as that. All right, just centralize it like that. So that's how to do it. If you check other boom markets, oh wow, we just missed this. But let's check on the 30 minutes time frame if we have the current price. No, this is not a good one. The current price is actually in an uptrend because we have the MA on the main chart below the current price. So the pressure is really high to the upside. That's why you see markets still pushing upward. All right, so this is not an ideal setup. This is not an ideal setup. It's myself, but it's not really an ideal setup because we are in a strong uptrend. That's why you see when the spike comes, they come for real and they come like twice or more. All right, so it's not really cool to take this kind of trades. All right, it's not really cool because we are in a strong uptrend. All right, so look at the trade I gave to my people. We have already smashed our TP1. Our TP1 was here. Our TP1 was somewhere here. We smashed it and then market went down. I didn't tell them to move SL because I knew that markets would be going up. So this is our final TP. This is our final TP right here. You can see that. That's our final TP, guys. So I've given signal already on this and we've made so much profits smash TP1 and about to smash the second TP. All right, so we do this every time, and it works for us every time, bro. It works for us. Okay, so you can join the team if you want to. If you're struggling to make profits, you can join the VIP. Let's help you make money. Let's grow together. All right, so the message is right here. That'll be all for now. Bye bye.